What's up guys, Samsung Android 10 update with One UI 2.0 running on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has just leaked. A video comes from the Brazilian YouTuber Dude Rochi has given us the information about the One UI 2.0. He goes over shows some basic changes in One UI 2.0 on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and compares it to the One UI 1.0 running on its Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This along with a few build numbers I saw makes me think this is a legitimate, but I can't be sure until Samsung officially announced this update. Number one changes shown in his video is the new gesture navigation. These are the new gestures that Google introduced in Android 10. It has both the back button triggered by swiping left or right side and swipe up to go home gesture. While I'm personally not a fan of this gesture design, but it is good to see some consistency between Android devices. This is something that has been lacking in the past. Second new feature he showed off is the new quick setting tile. Samsung seemed to be keeping the One UI aesthetic with its new update. This time, Samsung is expecting it to take up to the entire screen. It seems like they are moving the clock up and just trying to use the whole screen. This is both good and bad in my opinion. On the other hand, this takes away from one-handed approach which Samsung has introduced in One UI. Samsung pushed with One UI, but on the other hand, it also making use of the all screen. The next thing, we have a new Android privacy feature Samsung added in Android 10. It's likely that the new feature allow more control over your permission and location setting. These are currently in most Android 10 devices. It isn't specific for the Samsung. A few other things that I have noticed while he was showing off the display are actually some Galaxy Note 10 features that Samsung seems to be bringing to the Galaxy S10 in this new update. In the quick setting, you can actually see an option for the link to Windows. One of the new Microsoft and Samsung collaboration made exclusive features for the two companies which are collaborating with each other. While swiping, you can also very briefly see that the Samsung brought the native screen recorder over to the Galaxy S10. Without a full hands-on, we don't know every feature Samsung has brought into the older devices. I have searched over the internet and did not find any material regarding the One UI 2.0. Video doesn't provide the download to this internet developer build. I'm very excited to try out this, but only when Samsung launches this beta program. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.